Ethereum's actually doing pretty good today. Hopefully I could retire sooner. Oh god, my stomach's killing me. Crap. Oh damn, I shouldn't have had the enchiladas yesterday. Ooh, gotta go to the bathroom. Go. Move, dog. Coco. Oh my god, why is my stomach killing me? Oh. What a relief. Alright. Time to do the D. Come on. Bear crawl. Come on. Almost there. Gotcha. Jesus. This is a pain in the ass. Could have been a lot worse. Let's get the fuzz out of there. I need something for this. Wait a minute. Hold on. I got a 3D printer. Swear my dog always comes in and I gotta use the bathroom. Flush. Make sure you wash your hands, folks. It's a virus going around. Alright. Scan my dogs. You go there. This is a great idea. Alright, let's do this. Alright, go to Thingiverse. Ooh, got one right here. Nice toilet paper holder with a cool Space Invader theme. Alright, let's download it. Where are you? Whoa, that's way too damn big. What can I do? Alright, let's see. Maybe. Nah, yeah, that might work. Nah, gonna have to do it in pieces. Alright. Pieces it is. Send this bad boy. Don't want it that big. Set the settings. And let's pick a filament. I'm gonna do this nice marble white. Doesn't really matter because I'm just gonna paint it. And here we got a cool little time lapse of my Space Invader printing. That's so cool how my heater bed just slowly goes down like that. Alright, first one is done. Now for the second half. And see, this is just one of the greatest thing about 3D printing. You could just leave it overnight and just pray nothing happens to it. Alright, now for the holder. Alright, this is kind of boring. Let me just slap on a video of my girlfriend and I going to a hot air balloon festival. One of the coolest experience I have ever done. It was sponsored by my job and they actually had a tent for all the employees there. But I did not set foot into that tent because I got extremely plastered. You know, and how can you blame me? It was a beautiful day watching big balloons flying above you. It was very, very majestic. Now that we have gathered all the pieces, now it's time to do some sanding. But before I do some sanding, I realized that there are major gaps in the left side of my Space Invader toilet paper holder. So I just grabbed my 3D printing pen, inserted some white filament, and just filled in the gaps. Then I used my dermal sander, and then I used a coarse sanding paper to really sand it down a little bit. And after that, I grabbed a Crafts, almost looks like a nail filer, to really level out and get those hard corners. And of course, when I put the two pieces together, it doesn't fit. But it's okay. This happens in the realm of 3D printing. All I have to do now is just sand down one side. And I figured out this great way that if you use rubbing alcohol, when it comes to PLA, of course, if you use rubbing alcohol and sandpaper, it really sands it down very well and doesn't leave any streaks. Now it's time for my favorite part, and that's adding the XTC 3D epoxy. This stuff works great on everything if you just want to give it a nice smooth finish. I always use the scale because it's going to give you the most accuracy to the 2:1 ratio. I really had to use a lot on this side just because it had so much crevices and gaps on it. On the other hand though, this side just came out flawless. A I'm only gonna apply a little bit of the epoxy, and I'm probably not even gonna bother sanding it down. Just look at it. This took a lot longer than I expected. Alright. The epoxy has finally cured. Now I gotta sand this thing down and hand it over to my beautiful girlfriend, where she's gonna take over. So my girlfriend and I decided to just stick with the original purple because we didn't want to offend any baby boomers out there. So she's just gonna lay down a nice white base and then add a nice sleek purple to it. And also remember to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for that YouTube algorithm, because I would really appreciate it. I came to a conclusion: when it comes to any 3D prints, airbrushing it will give you the best results ever. I was actually fortunate enough that my girlfriend is an amazing artist, so I bought her a airbrush for she can paint my prints for me. So shout out to her. I don't think I mentioned, but we decided to make the toilet paper rollie a nice bright neon green. Just wait until you see it, because it really makes the whole print. And now that the Space Invader toilet paper holder is finally dried, now it's time to add the final coat of a nice epoxy spray. Let's check it out. I can't wait until this thing's finished and finally install it in my bathroom. Never again a toilet paper is gonna roll to the other side of the room. And here's my workbench. Okay. So this is probably gonna be a little. Oh Jesus! It's probably gonna be a little difficult using one hand. I'm sorry, the audio is probably gonna come out a little crap because the GoPro doesn't really have that great of a mic. But shoots great video though. Would really recommend getting the GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. Just looks cool. I think they only have Black Edition. I'm not exactly sure, but damn, I dirty the back of this crap. No worries. I'm just looking at my ugly face while I clean this up a bit. It means the back is gonna go against the wall anyways, right? Who cares? This thing is so unstable. Okay, check it out. Woo! Yeah, I mean, this side came out a little bit rough, but you know, it's gonna be next to the crapper, so I think it's okay to come out a little crappy. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna use a acrylic sealer gloss finish, fast drying, non-yellowing, seals and protects for indoor and outdoor project. Now we let it set. Oh. Really? Is it about that time already? Let's get it done. Woo! That was about a split. You're probably wondering how I'm holding the camera. Literally with my neck. Oh, damn. Alright, one last coat. I know most of you are wondering, and yes, I do live next to a train station. And I think that's it. Alright, and it has finally dried up. Check it out. And here is the roller. I think it's a pretty cool color combination, don't you think? Well, let's hang this baby up, because I gotta go. I'm gonna be using a double-sided tape, Hopefully my family likes it, because this will definitely rip the paint off the wall if I take it out. So let's hope.
What's going on, everybody? Minor setback. It was getting late yesterday and I was planning on installing the toilet paper holder, but you know, everyone was asleep. But it's a brand new day. I shaved. I was going for the Tony Stark type of look. You could bash on me on the comments below. I don't mind. I love the haters. But this is the final product. This thing is awesome. All right, let's try it out.
Should probably ask my mother first. Absolutely not. Okay, still gotta do it. I know, doesn't go there. I was just too scared to mount it on the wall, because if I had to remove it, I didn't want the paint to come off. So it's going here for now.
Complete success. I'm probably gonna move it a little bit more to the left because I barely have any leg room. But no more rolling across the room. Perfect. Well, that is all for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Just 3D It. My name is Richard Alvarez, and this is my channel, Richie's Revelation. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for that YouTube algorithm, because it really helps me out. And I will see you next time. Peace.